Are you planning to learn Korean but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll introduce you to 10 essential Korean phrases that are super easy to learn and will help you sound like a native. Let's dive in. Number 1.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
This is the most common way to say hello in Korean. It's polite and can be used at any time of the day. When you meet someone new, just say 안녕하세요. It's a great start to any conversation. Number 2.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
This means thank you. Whenever someone helps you or does something nice for you, just say 감사합니다 with a smile. Koreans really appreciate good manners. Number 3.
죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다.
This means I'm sorry. It's useful for apologizing in a polite way. If you bump into someone or make a mistake, 죄송합니다 will save the day. Number 4.
괜찮아요. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요.
This can mean it's okay, I'm okay, or no problem. If someone apologizes to you or you want to assure them that everything's fine, 괜찮아요 is the perfect phrase. Number 5.
이거 주세요. 이거 주세요. 이거 주세요.
It means, please give me this. When you're at a restaurant or shopping and want to buy something, just point to the item and say 이거 주세요. It's simple and very practical. Number 6.
얼마예요? 얼마예요? 얼마예요?
This means, how much is this? It's essential when shopping. You can use it for any item by simply pointing and asking. 얼마예요? Number 7.
어디예요? 어디예요? 어디예요?
This means, where is? You can use it to ask for directions. For example, if you're looking for the subway station, just say, 지하철 어디예요? Koreans are usually happy to help. Number 8.
네. 아니요.
These are the words for yes and no. Super simple, right? You'll hear and use these a lot in daily conversations. Number 9.
천천히 말해주세요. 천천히 말해주세요. 천천히 말해주세요.
This means, please speak slowly. If someone is speaking too fast and you're having trouble understanding, just say, 천천히 말해주세요. It's polite and shows you're trying. Number 10.
한국어 잘 못해요. 한국어 잘 못해요. 한국어 잘 못해요.
This means, I can't speak Korean well. If someone starts speaking too much Korean, this phrase is your lifesaver. Koreans will understand and might switch to simpler language or even English. That's it for today's lesson. With these 10 phrases, you'll be ready to handle basic conversations in Korean and feel more confident when speaking. Which phrase do you think is the most useful? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Korean lessons. See you next time, and as we say in Korean, 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요.